The Portamate PM4000 from Bora tool is the most practical, hassle-free stand there is for miter saws or chop saws. It's rugged, dependable, and no nonsense to provide the pro or enthusiast with the ideal stable, portable platform to get in, get out, and get the job done right. No tools are required for setting up or breaking down the stand. And the quick mount tool attachments give you the freedom to easily remove the saw for transport in virtually any vehicle, for storage, or even for use atop your workbench in the shop. The tubular steel design not only makes the PM4000 strong, it allows for two material supports that can be pulled out to support boards up to 10 feet long. Whatever the job requires, if your saw can cut it, the Portamate can support it. Lightweight but never light duty, the Portamate PM4000 from Bora Tools is the lightest, most compact contractor-grade stand.
If you're working with conduit, you're going to need a bender. A half-inch conduit is about the most common size that you're going to find on a job site. Klein's half-inch bender handles that job with ease. Now there's some really cool features about the Klein bender that I need to point out to you. The first one is there's an arrow which indicates the start of the bend, a star which indicates the back of the bend, and this little teardrop symbol which indicates the exact center of a 45-degree bend. There's also a handy reference chart for offset bends on the handle itself. Speaking of the handle is a heavy-duty steel handle for greater leverage. This also comes in a 3/4 inch model which does 3/4 conduit and half-inch rigid pipe.
Designed by the trade for the trade, Milwaukee introduces a line of 6-in-1 pliers to provide game-changing productivity. These multifunction pliers feature reaming, wire stripping, nail and staple pulling, bolt cutting, loop making, and wire cutting, allowing professionals to carry fewer tools and get more done on the job site. Maximize productivity with 6-in-1 pliers from Milwaukee. Milwaukee introduces a new line of work gear, setting a new standard in durability and versatility. All new Milwaukee work gear features 1680D ballistic nylon construction and riveted seams, offering up to 5 times longer life and 4 times stronger seams. The electrician's work belt and pouch features a solid base, allowing the gear to stand up even when fully loaded. Integrated handles allow for ease of transport and provide easy mounting points on common job site materials. The contractor work belt with suspension rig features a padded 4-point harness, which distributes weight evenly for all-day comfort. All metal hardware ensures that this belt will remain securely attached throughout the day, providing best-in-class durability and versatility. Work gear from Milwaukee.
The Harper Quick Change 3-position lightweight steel convertible dolly and cart is the only personal assistant you need for all your home, work, or office moving needs. The high-strength steel 44-inch tall frame accommodates loads up to 400 pounds. Harper's exclusive easy-to-use quick change mechanism converts truck positions in seconds. No tools or pins required. 4-wheel dolly assist mode for even weight distribution and better load control. 4-wheel cart design makes simple work of large, heavy, and oversized loads. Large 8-inch mold-on rubber flat-free wheels and 3-inch swivel casters for easy maneuverability. The Harper Quick Change Convertible Dolly and Cart is perfect for all your home, work, or office moving needs. Harper trucks are made in the USA.
The blade speed on the M18 Fuel Jigsaw is good or better than any other jigsaw I've used, and that includes corded jigsaws.
The M18 Fuel Jigsaw has a lot more speed than a corded. Speed and power are very important to have a good, straight, clean cut.
We've used the M18 Fuel Jigsaw on a number of different products, and there's been nothing that even remotely slows it down.
Being able to control the speed with the trigger makes you easily able to adapt on a second for whatever you're cutting. If you're cutting straight line into a radius through hardwood, it still works out perfect. It allows us to make tighter turns, tighter radiuses, and you get a lot less fray, just a smoother, nicer cut.
The toolless feature for the blade changing is great.
The fact that you can change the angle without using an Allen wrench is a huge added bonus. There's so many times that you cut and you can't see your line because all the material builds up there, and now with the blower switch it clears it all out. It saves you so much time.
Running off the M18 battery, I could probably run it all day.
Nobody wants corded tools anymore. This is by far the best I've ever used. I love it.
Make any place your workspace with the Kreg Track Horse. This sturdy, versatile, and portable work support makes it easy to set up a workspace anywhere and then store it compactly away when not in use. The steel and aluminum track horse is packed with features that take it beyond the capabilities of an ordinary sawhorse to provide solid support for a variety of DIY and woodworking tasks. Those features start with sturdy, adjustable legs. They fold out and lock in place securely and can be set at 6 working heights to match your needs and your tasks. The legs also fold completely away, which allows you to set up a handy ground-level work platform. With the legs folded, the track horse is also easy to transport to wherever you want to work. Built-in dual-mode clamping adds even more versatility. With the included Kreg bench clamp, you can hold items in place in the long track or place the clamp in either end of the track horse for secure vise-style clamping. And thanks to Kreg's AutoMax auto-adjusting technology, you never have to readjust the clamp when you move from one material thickness to another. In addition to holding the clamp, the track can also be used to mount a sacrificial cutting surface on top of the track horse. Simply attach the included bushings to a 2x4 and then slide it into the track. Now you can cut without worrying about damaging the track horse or your saw.